Guys, guess what? We're gonna open the box. Unexpected box is show up, right? When you're doing some makeup, skincare, and then something. And you know what, guys? My friends just drop off too. And after I just finished this makeup, she stopped by. One of my friends, she works also, she works in Costco, and she stopped by, and she texted me. She said, hey, I know you were, it's like, wait. He said, hey, I know you're inside your house, and I'm dropping off 50 pounds of rice. I was like, wow. So I'm so happy because I have such a good friend that, I mean, not all my friends are still touching base with me since I do a YouTube. Since I finished my goodbye to you guys, I ran down the front door, and she already left because she just left it in the front of my house, and then grab it, put it inside, and I just feel like so special. It just feel like so special. And one of my friends too, we talk every night, and not most of every day I mess with her, but it's just so nice that you have a good friend. But anyway, let's go to unboxing this unexpected makeup, or I think it's a makeup, I'm not sure, we'll see. Okay, where is my scissor? Oh, I'm just gonna use knife. Ooh, guys, look. My fall. Look. That's so... Let me get that one. And then, let's see. Look at this. We have brushes. We have another brushes. This is the set one. It's 10 pieces. And then, let's open this. What is this? Oh, look at this, guys. Bare Mineral. So it's a set. Look. I want to see the color. So this is a beautiful eyeshadow. Look at the color. It's so pretty. So you have the eyeshadow, setting powder, blush, and then lipstick. And then this is, what is this? Oh, this is brush. So, wow, it's a set, guys. This is so nice. Look. So let's see about this one. Let's see. Oh, they're the same. But it's a same blush, but this one is the medium setting powder, and then it's eyeshadow. This is so nice. So as I said, this is the golden nude, and then this one is the medium. Let's see. This is a medium. This is medium tan. So it's I think yeah, I think if they change is for the setting powder. So you guys will get like, is I guess for like different skin tone. So that would be the setting powder. That's so awesome. And this is the light beige. So this is probably the light skin. See, it's the light beige. And there are Bare Mineral. So this is the medium beige. So they're the same. This is the golden deep. So there. So that's all the Bare Mineral. And then what do we have in here? And this is ooh, look at this. It's so wow. Look at that, guys. The cover. This is from Mariness. They're the good company. Oh, look at that guy. So each, there's 4. Ooh, this is like, so this is like a lip liner, and then okay, they're like lipstick with, it's kind of like a lip liner. So each one is 2 different color. See, this one is kind of like a nude. Fancy. Now I have to try this one, guys. Look. Oh, this one is dark. It's beautiful color. Do they not like have red? See, it's like it's nice. And look at the bag, guys. Ta-da! Fancy. Look. So, put this on the side. And then this one is the same brand from the one I just showed you guys, but it's a different neck. It's beautiful, huh? I love lipstick. Well, I have to do some makeup when a different video when I do makeup. So let's see with this color, the other one. Ooh, it's red. But they're creamy, which I really like it. It's a pleasure. But this one is simply the best. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a velvet matte lipstick. And then this is the single eyeshadow NARS. What color is this? It's so small. But oh, look at that. Ay, sorry guys. It's yellow. So we're gonna have to find the look for the yellow. I'll put it back in the case. And then, of course, this is a really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna open so I can see. Okay. It has cosmetic brush and blending sponge set. Pretty color. Wow, look. You know what? This right here, I have 3 of this, but I never use it. Let me just. So that's pretty cool. And this is pretty much, they're pretty much the same, but it's just this is the smaller set. So I think the handle are so cute. So there you go, guys. We unboxed the unexpected package. So, well, I'll see you guys for the next video, and thank you for watching and subscribing. So soon it will be the giveaway announcement, and I'll show you guys. So it's like probably next week. So it's gonna be I'm gonna shoot the video, and then I'll be lined up on my schedule videos in the YouTube. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.